Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will explore how to effectively use LinkedIn Creator Mode to strengthen your professional visibility and establish a credible personal brand. I'll walk you through how to activate Creator Mode, select strategic content topics, and optimize your profile for maximum reach. Whether you are aiming to grow your audience, showcase your expertise, or enhance engagement, this guide will help you leverage creator mode with confidence. Let's begin. So right now I'm at the website of the LinkedIn creator mode and I have already opened my profile. So now I will go for my profile section. By the way, LinkedIn has already made a lot of changes to their creator mode. It used to be available before, but now they have made changes, so you have to access it technically. Okay, so I will tell you how you can get this creator mode. Basically, in creator mode, you will get an option of the follow on your profile. People cannot only make connection with you but also can follow you as a profile. Okay, so let me show you. So in this page you can see the analytics of your profile. You can see the post impression. So if you just click on show all analytics, it will show you all the details. So through the with the help of this analytics feature, you can just explore the topics on which you can get more reach. You can also see the already topics which you have on which you have already made post and people are viewing and commenting. So you will get all these details about the analytics in this section. But there is an option for the creator mode which is not available here. In the creator mode, you just get an option for a follow, so that people can follow you. For in order to get that option, you have to just go to your profile. Okay, and then you have to go to the settings and privacy of your LinkedIn profile. Okay, so I have clicked on this LinkedIn and privacy. Okay, so in the section you will go for the visibility section. Okay, so I've just select visibility, and then you will go to this bottom section of the followers. Select followers, and here you will see that the make follow primary button is already turned off, so you just need to turn it on. Other than that, you have all the features of the creator mode by default, but you have to turn this feature on manually so that you get all the things back. Okay, like the analytics that you have already got, now you have got the follow button as well on your profile. So basically these things are required for the creator mode. So now we have all of these required things which are included in the creator mode in our profile. Now we can optimize our profile. As you can see that I have already given all of my information, so you must fill out your profile details and then you start making posting within your niche. So after making post, you can see the analytics of your post. So that's how you can plan your future posts and can get more reach. So that was all about creator mode, how you can get it. So I will catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye.